Hello and welcome everyone um, to the first class of basic statistics training for everyone. So essentially, in this course, we have designed from the very beginning, that is the basic data, to a bit advanced course like testing of hypothesis or analysis of variance, etc. So today we'll start our course by describing what is meant by data. So essentially, data means information regarding anything. For example, height of 10 students is a set of information, or number of COVID deaths per day is also another information, or blood group of 1,000 people in a locality is also another information. Now, gathering information helps us to build up a decision, a better way to decide about a thing. So statistics is a science of taking decision in a proper, better and accurate manner. So for that purpose, we have to collect data. Uh, Based on collection of data, we have two types, namely the primary data and the secondary data. What is meant by primary data? This kind of data is collected directly from the field of study. For example, suppose a road accident happened and directly from the field of inquiry, someone is reporting that two people have died of this accident. This data is completely a primary data. So the news channels essentially gives us primary data when they report from directly from the field of inquiry. So this kind of data is definitely very authentic and we can rely upon. Okay, because we know that seeing is believing, because we are watching the thing live, so obviously we are believing on that fact more, right? But definitely fact comes with a price. Collecting primary data is a bit expensive for sure. The best example is the census data. India conducts census 10 years interval, but we do not see any census yet in 2021. I think due to the COVID condition, the census haven't been performed. The last census happened in 2011 maybe. Anyway, so that census data is completely a primary data. Okay, the most authentic one. But we really cannot reach up to the primary data quite often, so we have to rely upon secondary source of data set. For example, we can collect data from various indirect sources like newspaper or some book or internet, Google, etc. But this kind of data is definitely not as much as reliable as primary one. So definitely we require cross validation. That means we have to recheck every fact that we are getting from a secondary source of data set. Now, how many kinds of data is there? Primarily, we can classify into two things. One is the numeric data and another one is the non-numeric data. Okay, anyways, right now just focus on numeric data. Numeric data means the data which can be presented using some number, as simple as that, like height, rainfall, weight, etc. And non-numeric data means the data which is definitely information, but it's not a number, like blood group, for example. Okay, gender, religion, race, caste. Okay, there are multiple kinds of non-numeric data or attribute. In statistics, we can analyze numeric data as well as the non-numeric data to gather better understanding of a situation. Okay, we'll come to the decision making part later on, but presently we'll just focus on the descriptive statistics like collecting data, representing data, etc. Now, numeric data can be crudely classified into two segments, namely a discrete data set. What is that? Discrete data means the data is taking some isolated values. For example, family size. Family size maybe a family of 3, maybe a family of 5, but we cannot have a family of 5.7 members. Or number of students in a class, we may have 48 students in a class, or we may have 50 students in a class, or 60 students in a class. We really cannot have 60.7 students in a class. Okay, so this kind of variables takes some isolated value like 50, 60, 70, 53, 57, etc. Okay, so in the comment blocks, please comment some more examples of discrete data set. Now, the next item is continuous data. The data which can take any value, and the values will be essentially within some interval, is called a continuous data. Mind it, continuous data cannot take any isolated values. Okay. For example, height of a person, 6 feet 5 inches, 5 feet 7 inches, etc. It can take any value within some interval. Okay. Income, 40,000, 37 paise, 70,000, 87 paise, etc. Okay, so income can also take any value within certain interval. So it's definitely a continuous data. Now, if the data is non-numeric, that it cannot be expressed as numbers, then it can be classified to ordinal and non-ordinal or nominal. Ordinal data means the kind of non-numeric data that can be ordered. Ordered in the sense we have a certain order with respect to superiority or inferiority. That means, for example, gradation. Someone is getting grade A plus, someone is getting grade A, someone is getting grade B plus, someone is getting grade B, right? So gradations can be ordered, right? So grade is definitely an ordinal data. Drug dose is definitely an ordinal data. Why? Because drug dose has multiple categories like high dose, low dose. So we have a hierarchy, right? For example, a painkiller is given to a patient who is having a lot of pain. Now he is reporting that after receiving the drug dose, the pain is going away moderately. Or he or she can report the pain is going away greatly. So one response is moderate and another response is great. So great is definitely a superior quality over moderate. So in this case also, the patient response is an ordinal data. Then what is meant by non-ordinal data? Non-ordinal data means the categories cannot be ordered in any hierarchy. Religion, for example, blood group A plus, B plus, B negative, O negative, we really cannot order them. Okay, we really cannot say that this blood group is better than this blood group. But obviously one may say that blood group can be ordered in terms of the availability. For example, B plus blood group is quite available everywhere, but O negative is quite a rare blood group. Still, we really cannot order between blood groups. I think you can suggest me some more examples where you have this nominal or non-ordinal data. Now, dataset can be classified to two more things. One is called cross-sectional data and another one is the time series data. So what is meant by cross-sectional data? Cross-sectional data means the data which varies across different geographical region. For example, rainfall. India is quite a large country. We know that in the eastern side of India, we experience heavy rainfall, most in Ram. Okay, Cherrapunji, they experience the highest rainfall in India. But in the western side of India, where we have Thor, Rajasthan, we see very scanty rainfall there. So amount of rainfall varies over different geographical region. So definitely this is an example of cross-sectional data because it has an impact over different geographical places. So the example is rainfall for different states. Different states in India experiences different amount of rainfall. Another kind of data set is called the time series data. Time series data means the data set which varies across time, like population of India. From the beginning of census, 1911, the population is increasing over time. So population of India is definitely a time series data. Or for example, annual rainfall in India. This also varies over time. Before we had a lot of rainfall, but after certain geographical changes or global warming, the amount of rainfall is decreasing over the period. So definitely annual rainfall in India is definitely can be regarded as a time series data. The next idea will be that how dataset can be collected. So this question we'll discuss in the next video.